Hi guys, another video about the Shelly Wi-Fi control device. A lot of people have been asking me about how to wire this with two-way switching. Now, I get it that there's a lot of DIY people installing these at home. Now, if you're not an electrician, take great care when doing this because it is dangerous and you always need to turn off the electrical supply. But I would highly recommend that this work is done by an electrician. However, I am going to show you how this works and I'm going to do a diagram for you just so you can get a really good understanding of how to use the Shelly Wi-Fi control device. This is the most basic one really. It's just a single relay that closes, controlled electronically using the control app, but also you can do it by your local switching. Now, a normal light switch is either a one-way or a two-way, but you could have two light switches. So we're going to look at when you've got two-way light switching, so one on either side of the room, maybe one on the way in and one on the way out of the room, and how to use these two switches to control your Shelly device. That's coming up right now. Okay, so two-way switching, got switch 1, switch 2, and we've got, this is on the wall, and then up in the ceiling we've got a live incomer, live neutral, main supply, a couple of Wagos, we've got our Shelly Wi-Fi controller, and we've got the light to turn on. So we want to use a two-way switching system and the Shelly to control this light. First of all, let's look at the two-way light switching. So this is in maybe one side of the room and this is on the other side of the room. Now ignore the colors, as I say, because I'm just going to make this simple. So this is what we call the strapper, the cable that goes between the two light switches. Common to common, straight through. L1 to L1. Straight through. L2 to L2, straight through. Now you normally use a 3-core and earth cable to do this. So there's your 3 cores, and then your earth would just go earth to earth. I'm not showing earth just for simplicity. So common to common, L1 to L1 and L2 to L2. Now one of these switches is going to have the lighting control wire coming from the ceiling down to the switch, and it's just a normal 2-core and earth cable, twin and earth. So let's use this one just to make the drawing simple. So we're going to have two lives coming down. They're all live cable. One's a live in and one's a live out. So let's just draw a live going into the L2, and then let's just draw a live coming from the ceiling to the L1. So one of these will be a live in and one of these will be a live out. It can be either one, doesn't matter. They're both going to be carrying live cables. So your mains supply, you've got live, and you've also got your neutral. This is up in the ceiling now. So first of all, let's deal with the neutrals. So neutral coming in, let's just pop a neutral straight into this 3-way Wago. Up in the ceiling, got a wire going into there. This Wago is now our neutral Wago bar. We're going to come out of there with one wire and we're going to send a permanent neutral straight to the light from that Wago. So neutral's going straight to the light. Coming out of the Wago with another neutral. We're going to have a little wire going along, and we got permanent neutral going straight into the Shelly one. So they've both got their neutrals. That's neutrals done. Live. We're going to send a live into this Wago. This becomes our live Wago. Coming out of here, we're gonna put a permanent live straight into Shelly input. I for input. So we're going to be controlling a permanent live. The output will be going to the light and the input is a permanent live. So obviously when that live goes to the output, we power the light. So we can draw that in straight away. The output from the Shelly eventually will come out of there and it's going to turn our light on. So at the moment, the only way this light can turn on is if the Shelly device joins those two wires together, closes the relay, powers the light. So now we need to control the Shelly device to turn the light on. We can do it by Wi-Fi or we can do it by local switching. So another live coming out of here. Permanent live comes out, comes along here, and he powers our Shelly device. So now, without any wiring on the wall, we could set up the Wi-Fi connection to the Shelly device. It's powered up, and electronically from our control app, we could tell it to close this relay, send in live to the light, turning the light on. That's just an independent Shelly system with no local switching. Now we want our local switching. So we've got our two switches on the wall and we've got our wire coming from the ceiling down to the first light switch. Could be either one. So let's deal with the live incomer. So from our live Wago bar, come down here and we send a live into the switch. That's going to L2, doesn't matter, L1 or L2. Now this one becomes our live out now. So the live out is telling the Shelly, I want you to turn the light on. So live out comes up into the switch wire. When a live goes into there, tells this Shelly one, close that relay, turn the light on. And that's how you do it with two-way switching. Hope that makes sense. If it's helped you, please subscribe and there'll be more videos to come. Well, I hope you got some value out of that video. If you did, like and subscribe and it'll help the channel a ton. I really appreciate that, and any comments would be answered, and hopefully we can all help each other to move forward and learn more about this kit, which is pretty cool stuff really.